The sepoy marched to Delhi.
क्या
The sepoys marched to
नहीं,
Delhi.
sepoys
Sepoys marched to Delhi.
हाँ, marched means went to Delhi. Marched here means as it went, as they went in group in file, इसको हम फाइल कहेंगे. As they went Delhi in file में रहते हैं ना, यहाँ पर जब सेलिब्रेशन कोई करते हैं, you make lines, then this movement is called march. The sepoys means the soldiers march to Delhi.
Long live our empire, Bahadur Shah.
Jafar.
Bahadur Shah was the last ruler of
Emperor of Mughal Empire.
Mughal Empire.
Very good.
Mughal
Thank
Empire.
you. Very good. He was the last ruler. And who was the first ruler?
Babur.
Second.
Babar.
Second.
Babar Humayun.
Third.
Akbar.
Akbar.
Shahjahan.
गए लखनऊ.
Jahangir. Akbar, Jahangir, Shahjahan.
Aurangzeb. Bahadur Shah Jafar.
Bahadur Shah Jafar. हाँ. So we have
Bahadur Shah Jafar.
हाँ. Yes. Now I am very happy that even now, though I had read in class 8, 7, I had read in class 7 or 8 perhaps, and even now I am having those names. And you will also have, because you have remembered them in your childhood. What you remember in childhood, we do not forget. We keep it intact forever in our life. Is it okay? Now, next one.
The rebellion spread wider.
Rebellions, yes, the rebellions spread wider.
Bidroh.
No, rebellion means bidroh.
Bidrohi.
हाँ, Bidrohi. Rebellions means Bidrohi. The rebellions spread wider means they spread all over the country, means the whole India, everywhere. The rebellions came out against the Britishers. Next, finish it today.
Many landlords had lost their lands because of British policies and they were sore.
Yes, the landlords means the Indians who were the landlords and occupied, and means there were many groups in French Revolution. You might have. अच्छा दे दो. हाँ, the rebellion. कहाँ गया? Hello. Many landlords. About the landlords, you might have studied in French Revolution, 1787. 1787 French Revolution. In that you might have studied. You might have studied. आप पढ़े
होंगे.
हाँ. Because I am not certain, that's why I changed. You have read को मैंने बदल करके दे दिया. You might have read.
Yes.
And so the landlords were unhappy. They were also disappointed because all the benefits they had to take from the farmers was now being taken by the Britishers.
British.
British.
Britishers, and that's why they were also unhappy. Desire, anyone?
Pointed. Disappointed.
Disappointed.
Very good. Discontent. They were discontent, and they were
Disappear.
नहीं, disappear means गायब होना, अविनाश.
Disappointed.
Disappointed. Very good. Is it clear?
Disappointed.
And they were discontent. Thank you, Jyoti. You are now improving vocabulary. But somewhere the pronunciation of Megha and Jyoti, you be careful. Huh. Okay.
The white man's rule must end.
Yes, means they must be driven away, and we should start ruling over the country ourselves. We should not. Are you leaving? Huh. Okay. Yes. Now next. Must end.
Yes, we will help you. Yes, we will help you.
Who did tell it? Who did tell it?
The villagers. The villagers.
No. No. The landlords. The white
The landlords.
The white man's rule must end. Okay now. अरे अभी और है. Now, Sachin.
Yes, sir.
You are to fight.
Yes. The fight for freedom, 1857. Main format. The free for freedom.
सबसे नजदीक आप ही हैं. You are very near to school, and your sound is not clear.
Yes,
once more, Sachin.
The fight for freedom, 1857. Many former.
Now many. The use of many. The use of many and rulers. Rulers. Any former rulers.
Yes.
Former means?
पहले वाला.
Very good.
Later.
Yes, I have. Oh my God. The former and the latter both are pronouns, and they come on the place of nouns. The former, the latter. The former, yes, rulers. Yes, once more.
Former rulers like Begum, Hazrat
Mahal, Hazrat Mahal.
Yes, sir.
Of Lucknow.
Of Lucknow, where beater.
Where bitter means bitter here means where angry. Is it clear?
Angry.
Next.
Like white man has taken away my kingdom.
Yes, and some rulers were also unhappy. Not only landlords, not only peasants, but landlords and also some rulers. All of Indian people were angry against the British government. Next box.
They joined the upsurge against the foreigners.
हाँ. Upsurge means
Foreigner.
upsurge means rebel. Upsurge means rebel. The many words here we have already made. Subdue, letter. Okay, we will revise those words which are new in this lesson later when we will finish it. First, finish this.
Popular leaders like Maulvi Abdullah of Faizabad told the people, raise brothers, raise the Angrez in running our land.
You have missed somewhere. Here you have missed the people were everywhere in Barel or in that box it is.
Yes,
the popular leaders like
popular Maulvi Abdullah.
Maulvi
Yes, sir.
Abdullah.
Yes, sir, Maulvi.
Of Faizabad. Where is Faizabad?
UP.
Very good. And where near Ajodhya is in the Faizabad district. Be remember this. Ajodhya, where the Ram temple is being constructed, is in the district of Faizabad. Is it clear now? Location is very important. Yes, finish it.
Raise brother, raise the Angrez is ruling our land.
Yes. Rise, brothers. Next.
The people rose everywhere in Bareli, Kanpur and Allahabad.
नहीं, Bareilly.
Yes, Bareilly, Kanpur and Allahabad.
Kanpur and these all cities are in Uttar Pradesh. But now the Bareilly has gone in Uttarakhand. Otherwise, Kanpur, Lucknow, these are all. This is the north part of India. Northern India was the people of northern India was fighting against the Britishers violently.
Azimullah Khan told Tatya Tope, we should have Peshwa Nana Sahib as our leader in this war of independence.
Yes, and this is the place where Maharani Lakshmi Bai also raised her head. The woman who raised her head against the Britishers. Is it clear?
Yes.
Tatya Tope. Nana Sahib.
The patriots pounced upon the British and fought pitched battle all over North India.
Yes, here pitched battle means direct battle. Pitched battle means direct fight. They started fighting against the Britishers directly. And who can forget Maharani Lakshmi Bai? Yes.
80-year-old Kanwar Singh of Bihar received
एक minute, just Sachin, just here one word I have missed, pounce. Pounce means jump, attack. है ना? pounce,
sir.
pounce, bounce, leap, jump,
Skip.
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 हाँ,
Keep.
Hope.
हाँ,
Hope.
very good. हाँ, next, finish the last one. Be fast. Finish the
18
last.
years old Bhagat Singh of Bihar received a bullet in his wrist. Mother
Yes,
Ganga, this is my last offering to you.
yes. Kumar Singh, who belonged to Bihar, in the district of Ara. In Ara district near Patna, also started fighting directly. Next, bubble.
So, खत्म हो गया.
Finish.
Mother Ganga, this is my last offering to you. Means he sacrificed his life, offering his life in the name of Ganga, fighting against the Britishers. Is it clear?
Yes.
Very good. So we, you might be feeling, but we are not satisfied with this study because many things we have been missing. Okay.
Due to network problem.
Now I hope who have not done the exercise will hurriedly do. The left also the previous chapters because I have started checking. And Megha,
Yes, sir.
yes, I have checked your notebook. Yesterday I brought, but Roshan did not come and it did not reach to you. You have very nicely done, but there somewhere there the words I can't read because you have in a very rubbing way somewhere. Otherwise, very means all I have gone through. Only in one part I did not read it well. There was some cuttings, so it did not give me clear picture to my mind, and that I have इन मझली ब्रैकेट में जैसा बना दिया हूं, जहां मुझे क्लियर नहीं हुआ है 2 जगह मझली ब्रैकेट में मैं लिख दिया हूं. You
सर
will,
वो कॉपी मेरे पास आ जाए तो हम उसको ऑडियो में भेज देंगे.
okay. Has Roshan
सर कल कॉपी ले आइए, कल जाएगा हो सके तो.
हाँ. ठीक है, ओके, बाय.
बाय
Bye,
सर.
sir.
बाय.